Loblaw has expanded a pilot study involving workers wearing body cameras. Casey's is requiring all of its office employees to return to work in the office full-time. And despite the news that egg prices are starting to come down, retailers are still struggling to keep them on shelves. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top news from Supermarket News and CSP Daily News. I'm CSP Senior Editor Hannah Hammond.
And I'm Supermarket News Editor Tim Inkelbarger. In response to ongoing theft and safety concerns, Loblaw expanded a pilot study involving workers wearing body cameras, the Canadian grocer confirmed on Monday. 3 Shoppers Drug Marts and 2 Real Canadian Superstores, both owned by Loblaw in Winnipeg, Manitoba, have issued body cams to trained asset representatives, third-party security, store management, and other teams. Participation in the program is voluntary.
Casey's General Stores is requiring all of its office employees in Ankeny, Iowa, where the company is based, to return to work in the office full-time starting May 1st. The news was shared with employees on Thursday, according to the Des Moines Register. About 3% of the company's workforce works out of the store support center.
Despite the news that egg prices are starting to come down, retailers are still struggling to keep them on the shelves, and customers are having a hard time affording them. Some grocers have found a workaround to the egg shortage with a simple solution: stock the store with grade B eggs, according to a story in Scripps News. The news organization recently reported that while most stores sell grade A or grade AA eggs, grade B eggs are perfectly healthy for consumption. Grade B eggs are infrequently found in retail stores. They're typically used in liquid, frozen, and dried egg products and are characterized by, quote, thinner whites and yolks that may be wider and flatter than eggs of higher grades.
Pilot is installing B99 biodiesel, a lower carbon fuel, for commercial fleets at its travel center in Decatur, Illinois. Biodiesel is manufactured from vegetable oils, animal fats, or recycled grease and can improve fuel efficiency and help reduce carbon emissions in commercial trucking. Pilot also plans to add the fuel to its locations in Des Moines, Iowa, and Dallas.
Consumers are feeling the effects of inflation, and discount retailer Dollar General Corp. doesn't see that changing anytime soon. And the CEO believes that the discount channel is better positioned than convenience stores to provide those consumers with the value they need, Todd Vasos said on the discount retailer's fourth quarter fiscal 2024 earnings call last week. The company has identified 96 Dollar General stores and 45 Pop Shelf stores for closure. It also plans to convert an additional 6 Pop Shelf stores to the Dollar General brand by the end of January 2026. But Vasos said he sees room for 12,000 more U.S. stores.
Parkland Corporation has appointed 2 independent directors to its board a day after one of its shareholders asked it to do so. Engine Capital, which holds about 2.5% of Parkland's outstanding shares, on Monday asked the convenience retailer and fuel marketer to add qualified shareholder representatives and independent directors to its board of directors to ensure a comprehensive strategic review. Parkland said on March 5th it initiated a strategic review to identify opportunities to maximize value for all shareholders.
Meat sales were already hot, but the late start to Lent, the Catholic season of less meat eating, translated to another stellar month of dollar and volume sales for the category. The meat department generated $8.2 billion in sales in February, according to the latest report from research firm 210 Analytics, using data from Circana. Dollars were up 8.8% year over year, while volume increased 4.4%.
The bigger the store, the longer the stay. At least that's what recent data from Placer AI suggests, but a closer look at the 2024 foot traffic stats revealed that some grocers are seeing foot traffic increase at their stores. The data, shared exclusively with Supermarket News, showed that stores with the largest physical footprints, particularly Costco, Walmart, and H-E-B, saw their shoppers stay longer in 2024. Costco, which prides itself on its treasure hunt-style shopping experience, saw its shoppers linger the longest, roughly between 37 and 40 minutes. That's followed by Walmart at roughly 32 to 35 minutes and H-E-B at about 26 to 27 minutes. And that will do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News and supermarketnews.com. I'm Hannah Hammond.
And I'm Tim Inkelbarger. Have a great day.